Welcome in this video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what I create for you. Technically, I create a template, a content provider agreement. It's a template that you can use. The thing is, in the link in the description, you can find more information about it. But in this video, I just wanted to talk about it and give you an idea of how you can use it. If you're a copywriter, most of the time you can get a job, you can get a gig, or you can get a task, or whatever, call it whatever you want. You can do it or not, it's up to you, but most of the time when people do it, they get paid for it. That's not a problem. But what happens if you don't get paid for it? So the thing is, in this content provider agreement that I create for you, is that you will have everything in it and you can use it. You can use it in almost every situation. If there are things that you don't use or you don't want to use, you can remove them from the agreement. So what you need to keep in mind is this is a template. When you have the template, you can adjust it however you want. For every client, it depends on you, but keep in mind, this is better than no contract at all. If you don't have any contract with your client or agreement with your client, it can be difficult if they don't pay you on time, or it can be really difficult for them to give you a deposit when you don't have any contract. So if you have questions about this or anything, just go on the Discord, and in Discord you can ask me more questions about it. And if you're new to this channel, seriously, subscribe right now. I will appreciate it. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.